Welcome to Resolve Module 9. We're going to go over dynamic zoom. This clip is just a standard tripod shot, locked off, no movement. So if we select the clip on the timeline and go over to the inspector, midway down we got this dynamic zoom. That's off by default. You can turn it on. You can see the clip zoomed in a little bit. Now let's play and see what that did. So it's got a linear ease out, and you can hit swap. And now if we go to the beginning of the clip, it kind of does a linear zoom in. Now you can also customize your dynamic zoom. So if we reset that, leaving it on, so right now we're back to kind of the same setting, you actually turn that off. And then with your clip still selected, under the drop down in the preview window, we can hit dynamic zoom and we'll get these red and green boxes up here. So green is where your clip's starting and red is where it's ending. So I'm going to zoom it to start about the same size as the clip here. And then depending on the length of the clip, it'll kind of do a zoom in. So let's say we want to zoom closer to this building here, right about there. Now this is a real-time effect, so you have to hit play to preview it. But let's go ahead and reset the viewer here with the Z button and hit play. And now we could see we've tightened the zoom in here without having to do like a inspector keyframe zoom. So that's another way you can do a customizable dynamic zoom just through the software here. So you can use the defaults or do your own. And that's how you use dynamic zoom. I'll see you guys on the next module.